Hello! Today we're going to have a look at how to insert roof scuppers. A roof scupper is used for a drainage system on a flat top roof. So your design should already have a flat roof inserted. Under the roof step, in the sub-menu, select Roof Scupper. Select the water box image below the sub-menu. A dot will appear as the pointer on your project. Select the location on your flat roof to place the scupper. To select multiple locations on your flat roof, activate the Continuous option. The panel on the right allows you to customize the color of your scuppers. An assistant will pop up to help you to apply the same color for all the roof scuppers. That's it! Now it's your turn. Feel free to contact us at the email provided with any questions. Our support team is always available to help.